Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix iPhone not able to send pictures to Android phone problem. So the first fix is disable live photos. For this, go to settings, go to camera, now tap on it, tap on formats, scroll down and find preserve settings. Make it most compatible. Now from here you will find preserve settings. Tap on it. Now turn off live photo. Turn off this option, live photo option. The second fix is enable iMessage as SMS. For this, go to settings, find and tap on messages. Tap on messages. Now what we have to do is scroll down and find as SMS. Turn on as SMS. Send as SMS. Turn on this option. So send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. So this option, turn it on. The third fix is restart iMessages. Turn off iMessages, wait for a few seconds and turn it on again. Turn off and turn it on again. Now the fifth fix is to disable MMS messages. If you find MMS message option, turn it off. If you find MMS message option, simply turn it off. The sixth fix is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and if there are any updates available, simply download and install the update to see the changes. So that's it. These are the fixes. See you in next tutorial.